Get yourself ready, it's about to go down. We got a new thing coming, got a new sound drum and like. Every time you see it, it's moving on. You gotta keep up your pace, you gotta move it along, you gotta keep inside. Everyone is talking cause always so keep spinning around just like the same as you.
What's up, folks? Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, July 20th. And 2021 and today is about 95 degrees. I got a fan blowing on me, you probably hear it, but yeah, it's hot, but I'm loving it because I'm in Minnesota and it'll be cold as hell soon enough. All right, so just to make a little quick video, as I told you guys earlier, if you've been paying attention. If you haven't been paying attention, click on the subscribe button and find out what I'm doing. Right? Click on the subscribe button, stay in touch, right? And we'll take it from there. Because I'm, like I said, for the next few weeks, I'm going to be making posts specifically telling you guys about many different situations and opportunities. See, I've been fortunate enough to be in to be able to do the things I do without no, I'll put it like this. I've been fortunate enough to be in front of people who give me the real deal. Anybody will sell you anything, but when you get in front of people who do what it is you want to do and they show you specifically what they do, those are the people you want to deal with. Turn the fan off because it's rocking my camera. Hold on a second. There we go. When you're in front of people who specifically do what you want to do, and as they teach you, you just quit, asking dumb questions. You just follow them. So everything you see me posting is a business, a system, a service, something that I use myself because people who do this for a living, big time, not just for me for a living, but people who do this for a living, big time, 7, 8, 9 figure people say, G, this is what you need to do. You want to do what? Oh, well, you want to go over here and do that. Oh, you want to do this? Oh, well, here's what you will need to, like that. So this is not me being a genius here. This is just me, instead of hiding it, dividing it. That's how I grew up, right? So, yeah, so moving forward, this particular video is about a system that I started with about a month ago, maybe a little less than a month ago. And as soon as I was told about it, I immediately purchased it, right? Even before I watched the webinar that you're going to be able to watch on this coming Thursday, right? But yeah, so click the link below. It's a registration link for the webinar, which is this coming Thursday, right? The 22nd of this month. Watch the webinar. If you're so inclined, get involved immediately. All right? And on that note, I'm going to finish my cigar. I'm going to turn my fan back on because it's hot. All right? I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Peace.